Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Friday, November 27th, 2015, and we're at 5245 Northeast Wisteria Drive in Portland, and we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line, and as you may or may not be able to tell, we are on the roof. We looked around for a clean out in the basement and around the exterior of the home, didn't find anything. So we're going to go ahead and drop our camera into this vent. It is a 4-inch cast iron vent. So let's go ahead and drop our camera on in there and see about getting things pointed in the right direction. Quite a long ways down. Okay, so here we are at the base of the clean out, the base of the vent. We're going to go ahead and zero off our counter once again. And we will begin our push. A couple of notes about today's inspection. This home was built in 1920. Obviously we are in an older neighborhood of Portland, so therefore I do expect to see older material, plumbing material all the way out to the street, including possibly in the street as well. As I mentioned before, currently we are inside of a 4-inch cast iron line. As you can see, I do like to run some water during my inspection. The water is at the top of the pipe at the moment, at the top of the screen, which is the bottom of the pipe. And again, that's because this camera does not self-right. It kind of flops around inside the pipe, and so having water running actually helps me figure out which direction the pipe is pointed, up or down, whatnot. The reason I paused here at about 30 feet is because we are making a transition to, my guess is 6-inch terracotta line. Lower left-hand corner we do see another line entering this terracotta, and that's probably from our rain drains or storm drains. Not uncommon back in the 20s for gutter drains to be linked in with the same sewer line. A little bit of a speed bump there at 44 feet. So far, I've got to say the line looks pretty good. Terracotta is typically prone to root intrusion from trees and aggressively growing shrubs. This one so far looks pretty clean. It looks like here at about, probably, get my cable adjusted there, about 57 feet, it looks like we make another transition to a different material. This time this is concrete. You can see the aggregate on the bottom there. Concrete typically used when we get pretty close to the city main. A little bit of an offset here at about 61 feet. Another small offset here at 65. And then here at about 70 feet, we are looking into the city main sewer line. Let's pull back quickly to offset at 61 feet and have a second look at that. Categorize this as a minor offset with a slight joint separation. I think what we'll do is go ahead and locate this with our device. So we have a locator and we'll find out exactly where this is. I really doubt there's much to be done here, but if it is on the owner's property, or rather the buyer's property, it may be something that has to be repaired at some point. So let's go ahead and pause here. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and close the video out now. I will locate this, and I'll note that in the written report. As for the rest of the line, it looked fine. I wouldn't recommend any further action at this time, other than maybe to have someone take a look at this offset. That's it for now. Thank you very much.